Training a great model is step one. Making it work in production is the hard part. That's exactly what MLOps solves. In this video, you'll learn what MLOps is, why it matters, how it's evolved in 2025. If you want hands-on training, join my school community, link in the description, where I teach a full end-to-end machine learning and building your own custom AI agent. First up, what exactly is MLOps? MLOps stands for Machine Learning Operations. It's the set of practices that takes a model from a research notebook to a reliable production-ready service. It covers preparing data, building and testing models, deploying them, monitoring performance, and updating over time. Think of it like DevOps, but for machine learning. Now that you have the definition down, let's dive into why MLOps is so critical today. Without MLOps, models often perform great in testing, then silently fail in production. MLOps ensures models remain accurate, trustworthy, and compliant. It protects businesses from bad predictions, data drift, and costly regulation breaches. MLOps isn't just vital, it fixes real painful problems. Let's break them down. To start, deployment at scale, getting models off your laptop and into real-world apps. Another big one, automation, retraining and updating models without manual steps. Plus, monitoring, catching performance drops or data drift as they happen. On top of that, governance, making models explainable, ethical, and legally compliant. Finally, team collaboration, helping data scientists, engineers, and compliance work together. Together, these ensure your ML project actually delivers value. But here's the thing, MLOps today looks very different from its early days. Let's explore the 2025 updates. MLOps today isn't what it was just a few years ago. Here's how it's changed. First, automation has gone way beyond simple deployment. Today, retraining, monitoring, and even fixing models when they fail is automated. AI systems are learning how to maintain themselves. Second, MLOps and DevOps have completely merged. There's no longer a machine learning team over here and a software team over there. Everyone uses shared pipelines, shared infrastructure, and shared best practices. Third, compliance and model governance are now mandatory. With regulations like the EU AI Act, companies must explain exactly how models make decisions and show that they're fair and ethical. And finally, the rise of generative AI has pushed MLOps to evolve even faster. Managing large complex models like LLMs, handling hallucination risks, updating them without breaking production. These are all new challenges for MLOps engineers today. Also, MLOps in 2025 emphasizes model observability, not just detecting that a model failed, but understanding why, and multi-model orchestration, managing dozens of models at once instead of just one. It's a whole new world for machine learning operations. Sounds complex? Let's see how it actually plays out in a real-world workflow. A typical MLOps pipeline today goes like this. First, raw data is ingested automatically from various sources. Next, the model is trained or updated using that new data. Then, it's validated, checked for accuracy and fairness. After that, it's deployed via automated CI/CD pipelines. Once live, real-time monitoring detects any anomalies or drift. And if issues arise, the system can retrain and redeploy the model. No human babysitting required. That's modern MLOps in action. Ready to dive deeper? Join my school community, where I teach this exact curriculum: Python for MLOps, Git and GitHub, MLflow, Docker, Fast API, CI/CD, monitoring with Prometheus and Ylogs, post-production management, and much more. Click the link in the description and become an MLOps Pro today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video,